Biotechnology is the study of using both biology principles and technologies to improve the environment, agriculture, or medical sciences. So a lot of the work in biotechnology has to do with genetics, and so as a biotech student I get a lot of opportunities to work with modifying genetics and making certain alterations that allow us to manipulate microbes to do whatever we want them to do, which has been super cool. At NDSU, I have learned many skills that will help me in my future. A lot of them have to do with lab work. So we're in a beautiful core lab right now. I also have taken a lot of classes that require like hands-on projects and working with more things that have to do with industry, which is super helpful. The faculty have been absolutely amazing. They are so beyond willing to help you with anything. They love to give you endless opportunities. Really, all you have to do is ask. The community here is absolutely amazing. There are so many events. People love to get together. You seem to know people everywhere. Coming to NDSU has been amazing, and I would strongly recommend it for anyone who's looking at it. Specifically, the biotechnology program.